Welcome to MTduo, also known as the Taipei Manufacturing Technology Show, the event at the summit of the machine tool industry market. Industry elites, buyers, and suppliers are all joined at this professional trade show.
We are a machine tool dealer in Turkey. We are representing some companies from Taiwan. Taiwanese products already proved their quality in Turkey. It's very well known in Turkey.
MTduo has grown steadily with 270 exhibitors from 10 different nations this year. This is the best show to engage global and Taiwan suppliers for the latest products and technologies.
Everybody looking for a strong 5-axis simultaneous technology, and this is what Taiwanese machine tool companies can deliver.
设备领域来讲的话呢，我们就是要把机械给连接起来，然后有关于3D 列印，然后到未来的虚实整合，还有到智慧制造的生产的部分，是我们这一次主要的一个主题。
Taiwan's high-quality and competitive machine tools have expanded to global markets and won world renown for both quality and innovation.
Taiwan is actually exporting country, right, and big manufacturer, so this can show definitely something really great. It is very helpful show, and I hope in the future we'll keep going to organize this kind of wonderful show.
这次展览主要是要推广我们新的自动化技术，比如说我们展示整条铝轮圈的加工线，有一个新技术叫做虚拟量测，特别在这个展会发表。
We've been dealing with Taiwan for about 8 years. I have a lot of respect for Taiwan, and it's a very good place to do business, at least for the next 5 years. So it's nice to come because I like to see what's going on.
MTduo is the ideal source and sell platform that joins the smart strengths of Taiwan machinery. Partner up with MTduo for your sharpest edge in machines. Get surprised and impressed when you visit MTduo in 2018.